Hey, and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to talk about a new feature for Instagram Reels called Grooves. And what this does, it lets you match your audio and video together. So if you get tired like me of trying to follow tutorials and kind of match, lots of different beats and using different apps, then this is for you. So let us dive straight into it. So now this feature isn't available to everybody. It's only showing up on one of my 4 accounts currently. So I'm guessing it's just being rolled out, but you'll see when you go to add a reel, there's a button which says Grooves over on the top right, and if I clicked that and just add my video as usual, and you can see Cheyenne doing her thing, it says getting your video ready. Now what it's going to do is going to auto select a track for me, so the one that it thinks. Now where these suggested audios come from I don't know. I can't play the audio because we'll get a copyright strike, but you can see the finished video over on my Instagram page. So you can see what's happening here. It has automatically just cut my video around, and the video that I had was just like a minute in slow-mo, and it's just matching it to the beats of the songs. And you can see I've chosen a different track, and it's just doing its thing, and I have to say it's doing it pretty well. And I think the speed that this works when you go and select different tracks is actually amazing. It is really, really good. Now, this might not be for everybody, of course. Some people might still want to kind of, control themselves to do it. But if, like me, you kind of get a little bit bored and just want to kind of click through and select stuff, then this is for you. Now, of course, you can also search for tracks the same way that you normally can on Reels. So I can kind of choose any song and select the part of the song that I want to use. And again, it's just going to auto match pretty seamlessly. I didn't like that. That was pretty poor. I'm going to try another one, which I kind of thought was quite cool. But you can see how easy this is, and how every time you choose a new song, that the matching of the video is changing, and it will give me a kind of slightly different version for every one I do. So really it is a case of just kind of select different tracks and see which one works for you. Now, there is another little trick in here, which I'm sure most of you already know, but if you click on the See More button in Reels, and it actually gives you all the trending audio. So you can see here the Reels listed by the number of times they've been used. So if you want to pick a trending audio, away you go, and you can just select one of those. So I'm going to choose this track here, and we're going to whack that on, and this is actually the final one that I went for. So again, if you go to my page, you'll see how this works, and I kind of like it. I mean, you might think this is a bit silly. I do like it. I know I've said that a lot, but I think just to get something up that looks a bit different, I think it is pretty cool. Now, once you're done with that, then really you're just into, select next, and then you're just into kind of normal Reels territory. So, post your captions, post everything else, do what you like. So kind of that's it, really. So Grooves, if you've got it, please let me know in the comments if you've got it. If you don't have it and think it looks cool, let me know. If you don't have it and think it looks like it absolutely sucks and is taking creativity away, also let me know that. Click all the usual buttons, subscribe, like, notifications, etc. I'm going to be uploading more Instagram type stuff on here, just because that seems to be what the current interest is, or certainly the questions I get asked the most is all about Instagram and Instagram features. So I'm going to make more videos about that stuff. So there we go. That's Grooves in under 4 minutes. Have a great day. Follow my Instagram page, and I'll link Cheyenne's in there too as well, so you can go follow her. Thanks. Have a great day.